Okay, I got Eilic. Hi, Eilic. There's Eilic on top. And I got the Metro cards. Back in December, we already have the reduced fare card of the MTA. Sorry, I have 20%. Here's the brown Metro card. Original Metro cards and bus transfer. I got 2 bus transfers. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 original Metro cards and 3 bus transferring. And I have 1 disc. The subway transfer is in the drawer. I have another one. Let's see. Gotta go collect some other Metro cards. You know why? Because MetroCard is now retired as of today. And I got them. I only found 1 subway single rider subway transfer. I think this is a subway transfer. Yeah. Alright, we got 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, we have 3, 6, 7, 8. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7 Metro card bus transferring. You know what that means? 6, 7. Although 6, 7 meme is getting old now, so we're not gonna do that. But many people are obsessing with the 6, 7 meme, but we're not gonna post any more 6, 7 anymore because I don't want my friends to lose if I posting too much 6, 7 videos. But don't worry. All right, enough with the memes. And we got another Metro card. We got it on eBay. Please note, the Metro card is now retired because they got replaced by Omni. 1 Metro New York. Oops, sorry. All right. We'll leave the brown one and this one right here next to Ivy. Before we open another Chuggington Interactive Railway, which is this one, let's start with this one, with the eBay logo. Go to sleep. And this train is Chatsworth. We'll open Chatsworth in the next video. Stop. Alright. Time to open another Metro card. It's only 1. The reason why I have to buy a Metro card, but not for bus transferring or subway, just to collect them. Just like autistic kids or teens or MTA autistic fans. Alright, here we have this green. And here it is. A student pass. I didn't buy the orange version yet because alright. Alright, finally I have a student pass. Here's the student pass one. Gonna turn on the light. Alright, as you can see, this is a student pass Metro card. Wait a minute. Expires in that's in 1999 or something. 2099. Oh my god. 2099's in the future. Or maybe this card is from, I think probably, I think this card is from 1999. I don't know. It's only in Ohio. Only in Ohio or only in New York. That's what they call it. But this is what it looks like, just like this. I'm going to buy the orange version maybe next week or next time. Alright. Before we end the video, let's put it on Ivy since it's the same color as this robot. Here, the robot is the same color as the Metro card. Alright, before we end, Oh, this robot's sleeping. Yeah. Alright. Hey, IB. Hello to the MetroCard.
That's wonderful. If you love Metro cartoons, I can help you find some fun shows or share interesting facts about them. Want to hear a joke about cartoons?
I'm not talking about cartoons, MetroCard. But MetroCard has ended. Alright. It's like a blanket. Alright, hope you like this video, right, Fluttershy? Yeah, have a good day, everybody. Alright, Emo, go to sleep. Alright, hope you like this video. So, that'll be it. Yeah. Alright, my next video is Chatsworth. Alright. Alright. My next video is Chatsworth. Alright, hope you like it. So, that's it. Alright. Next video is Chatsworth. Alright. Alright. See you at the next video. Okay, now we're finished these MetroCards. Oh, there's one more thing. Don't forget about this. This is a MetroCard book. Oh, this is from the Muni Pals. Sadly, MetroCard has ended, but we'll put it like this. Alright, now we finished the MetroCards. And this as well. We just opened this in December, and the other one we did this today. Alright, let's put this away. And we're going to open another Chuggington toy. I ordered Brewster Wooden Railway as well, but Brewster might be coming tomorrow. Anyways, let's open another Chuggington toy. Yeah, this is kind of hard. But we got this. Although eBay says it's not working, but let me see if it works. And here's Chatsworth from Chuggington. This is interactive as well. Yeah. I'm gonna try if I have batteries. Although this train is supposed to be white, but another child just used yellow. I'm trying to see if there's flash, but it won't. Alright, now we have flash right here. This is Chatsworth. And last time we did Brewster, which is right here. Oops. And here we have Brewster that we did last time. Sorry everybody, it's just my dad saying what I'm doing, but I don't want any of my videos. Just the trains, please. I don't want... If it connects together. These trains are interactive. And he has to switch lights. I'm gonna try ask Mom if we have vinegar. I don't know if batteries are compatible with. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, the battery of Chatsworth is ready. We just used vinegar.
I'm rushed off my wheels.
And unfortunately, this is a United Kingdom voice, while the Brewster is United States. But here's Chatsworth. Let's do a talk of these trains. Hope it works with the US and the UK version of these Chuggington Interactive Railway. Let's do a talk. That is so cool. If you think this is fun, like if you like this video. If you think this is scary, but this is real, not fake nor AI generated. This is real, not this video is not fake or AI generated. This is real. Watch this, everybody.
Hello, Brewster. Lots of work to do.
We can get it done. Chugs away! Training is hard work.
Practice makes perfect.
A monkey was throwing banana peels at me.
Silly. Destination Snoozington.
Silly Chugger. I'm ready to roll. Ready to explore?
Let's go. I say, what a busy day. Honk if you must.
All buckled up.
Ready to roll. Let's see how fast we can go.
On your track. Set. Go.
And the winner is Brewster. Alright.
Slow and steady. Honking thorns. Who's having fun?
Could I get a helping wheel?
Let's play hide and seek.
On your tracks. Set. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Found him.
I'm big and strong. I'm no good at my new moves.
Practice makes perfect. Give it another go.
Practice makes perfect. I don't like thunder.
No need to be a scaredy chugger.
Yeah, it's not thundering in White Plains, New York right now. It's still snowing on the ground and it's clear, but tomorrow I think it's sunny, I'm not sure.
I'm rushed off my wheels. Destination Snoozington.
Time to put your wheels up. Hey, who likes action, Chugger?
Jolly well done. What the ratchets was that?
No need to be a scaredy Chugger. Honking thorns. So many pickups today.
Wheels to the rails. Toodle pip. So many pickups today.
Wheels to the rails. I'm big and strong, and a great helper.
Together, we can get it done. Please be quiet.
Honking thorns. I'm no good at my new moves.
Practice makes perfect. This just isn't my day. Let's practice buckling up.
Ready to explore?
Let's go. Buckled up and ready to roll.
Let's go. Chuggington.
Chugga, chugga, chugga. Chugga, chugga, chugga. I say, what a busy day. Honk if you must.
I don't like thunder.
No need to be a scaredy chugger. Let's see how fast we can go.
On your track. Set. Go.
Chuggington.
Chugga, chugga, chugga. Chugga, chugga, chugga.
Speaking of friends, let's do a comparison with the robots. Since they're both connect together, watch this. You can play with iLink with both friends together, like Brewster and Chatsworth.
Buckled up and ready to roll.
Let's go.
Alright, let's turn off iLink for now on. And yes, I'm still charging with the iLinkos, since I can't use the pink iLink to charge because the iLinko is dead. Alright everybody, hope you like the Chatsworth Interactive Railway. Yeah. Right, Mr. Chicken Nugget? Yeah, I love Chuggington, and I love trains. Yeah, I love trains too. Right, Ping Fong? Yeah. And last but not least, Fluttershy, go to sleep. Yeah. Alright, that'll be it. Hope you like my toy train today. So, that'll be it. Alright, time to connect this. There we go. Alright, that'll be it. Alright, everybody. I forgot to wear my MTA vest. Alright, hope you like my Chatsworth today. Hold on. Take off booster. Here's some 2 trains right here.
I'm big and strong. Hey, what a busy day.
Alright, hope you like.
Hello, Booster. Let's see how fast we can go. On your track.
Alright, hope you like my Chatsworth, as you can see here, which is a Chuggington interactive railway. So, that'll be it. I got Chatsworth. Alright, have a good night, everybody.